So I think we're going to start this weekend off by getting this all cleaned up. It's kind of gotten out of hand the last couple weeks. Let's take a gander. Our toolbox is cluttered. Blazer seats, everything's just getting packed in and messy. So we're going to get this all taken care of because this is like unmanageable, man. I hate having a cluttered space and I just keep trying to pump crap out. And my space is getting jacked up. And it's overflowing out into right outside the door too. So I'm going to set this camera up and do a little time lapse. It's probably going to take me quite a while to do this, but I'll bump around and clip around and stuff and throw some nifty music on for you to listen to while I fix this freaking disaster. So we've got toolbox cleaned off, electrical organized. Got the seats for Merle. They're from like a M3 BMW. Grinders hung. Weld area, fab table cleaned up. Hooks for the hoods to hang up. Bead blaster, press, all that good stuff. And then here comes our fun projects. We got the tranny upgrades for Merle. So built 700R4, a 4-to-1 underdrive, twin stick 201. We got our 6-liter. This is going in my other truck. This is getting boost prepped in the fairly near future. We're going to be putting a little Wuhan war whistle on that guy. And then 364 Buick Nailhead. That is for this car. It's a 1937 Hudson Terraplane. This is my dream car. We're going to start building it hopefully in the summer. Kind of depends, but hopefully. And then kind of metal shaping area, English wheel, planishing hammer, shrinker stretcher. I keep the welders over there now because they're kind of out of the way and I can roll them over to the table. And the big important part is winter's coming up and we're gonna be wheeling the crap out of Merle. And I got all this room for activities. All this room. It's almost like you could fit a Cadillac in here or something. I don't know. Well, well, well. Who's got 2 thumbs in a clean shop? This guy. Which is perfect, because we're going to kick it up a notch here. We got to get Merle ready to go play in the snow, which is coming quick. And I finally got room in the shop for my big winter fab project, which you'll learn about soon. So if you've been here for a while, you know that I don't really ask people to subscribe very often. It kind of annoys me when, you know, all these other channels do it every 5 minutes. So I try not to do that, but I am going to do it today. So if you've been here for a while, I'm so grateful to you guys. Thank you very much for being here from the beginning. It really is like the fuel for the little fire I'm trying to get going here. So if you're new, click it. It's down there somewhere, right below my video. You don't want to miss it, dude. We're gonna get into some stuff this winter. It's gonna be a good time. So if that, whoa, that was rude. I'm not ready for you yet. It's not your turn. Click this interrupting link here to get up to speed on Merle. And remember, if you don't get started, I ain't ever gonna get finished.